After investing thousands of US dollar in branding, what you should expect to get? Number one, an unique brand name. A well-crafted brand name is the first step in creating a lasting identity. It serves as the cornerstone of your brand, representing your values and mission in a way that is memorable and impactful. Number two, a premium quality brand logo. A premium logo should reflect your business activity and communicate a clear message to your customers. It establishes the essence of your brand, ensuring it leaves a lasting impression at the first glance. Number three, full brand identity. A strong brand identity distinguishes you from your competitors. It resonates with your audience, creating recognition and building trust through consistent visual and emotional elements. Number four, brand identity guidelines. A comprehensive brand guideline extends beyond the basic of logo usage, color palette, and fonts. It provides clear direction on tone of voice, language, and terminology, ensuring that your brand remains consistent across all marketing platforms and materials. Number five, brand website. Your website serves as the digital storefront for your brand. It must embody your brand's identity while offering a seamless, user-friendly experience that draws in visitors and converts them into loyal customers. Number six, brand photography. High-quality brand photography captures the essence of your brand's personality and aligns with your visual identity. These images play a crucial role in communicating authenticity and professionalism across all marketing channels. Number seven, premium social media content. Engaging social media posts are essential to retain consumers' interest. Consistent, high-quality content reinforces your brand's message, builds trust, and fosters a long-term relationship with your audience. Number eight, premium video assets. Videos are the future of marketing. Premium video content is a powerful tool that not only attracts consumers but also communicates your brand's story, values, and offerings in a dynamic and captivating way. Investing in these elements will ensure your brand is not only visually appealing but also strategically positioned for long-term success in the competitive market.